washing the face of the rim, perfectly fine. Try not to hit the rotor or the caliper.
The man, the myth, the legend, Tyler, what's up, man? How you doing?
I'm doing well, man. How are you?
I am well. Are you ready for this week's customer question?
Always.
Okay, let's go. Customer asks, help, I just left the car wash and my brakes howled at me. Are they, as the kids say, cooked? The kids say that, right? The kids say that.
Sometimes.
Yeah. So, brakes screeching, howling after the car wash, does it mean they're cooked?
So I'd break that down into like two scenarios. If you drive away and the sound goes away in a couple minutes after the brakes heat up, all the water gets off, you're probably good. If the sound gets worse or continues, I would at least bring the vehicle in for a brake inspection. Brakes are obviously a big part of the safety system for the vehicle. There's a potential, I know it's a little hard to see in here, but where the brake pads sit in the brake caliper, if you wash a bunch of debris in behind the brake pad, it could fill up the relief cut inside of the brake pad, could cause all sorts of noises, grinding at times. And then you run the risk of washing all the lubricant off of your brake pads as well. So washing the face of the rim, perfectly fine. Try not to hit the rotor or the caliper. If you wash off the lubricant that lubricates your brake pads, they no longer slide back and forth. You run the risk of the pad seizing in place. That could cause a noise, a brake pulsation, a brake pull, and we don't want anybody to have an issue like that. So
with or without car wash, how often should I get my brakes checked?
If you come to our dealership, we will be doing a visual brake inspection anytime we have a car in the air, or every second service is a full brake inspection, so we'll be pulling them apart to have a look at it. I recommend brakes get serviced about every 30,000 kilometers or every 2 years, just to make sure they're correctly lubricated.
Bonus question for you. It started raining now and my brakes are getting like some weird rust thing on them. What's that?
Yes, so it's surface rust. Your rotor is bare steel. So it's very typical in our climate. You'll get that surface rust overnight. So usually,
is it bad?
Not necessarily. The first couple braking applications in the morning, usually people can hear it scrape off, which is perfectly fine. But that's why it's important to get your brakes serviced. Every time you scrape that little layer of rust off, it fills up all the relief cuts in the pads. But it is bare metal, so it is perfectly normal to get a bit of surface rust overnight, especially if the vehicle sat for a couple days.
Okay. Got it. But yeah, to answer that question, if it persists, get it checked. If it goes away in a few minutes, you're all good. Okay, awesome. Always a pleasure, Tyler.